How to delete all Facebook Reels at once. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and today I will show you how you can delete all the Facebook Reels at once. So to know how you can do it, just watch the video and follow the following steps. Make sure that you have installed the latest version of Facebook from the Google Play Store or App Store of your phone. If you have already done so, then you can normally open your Facebook. Go on the home page of your Facebook. On the top right side, you will see there are three vertical lines. And then you can simply tap on settings in privacy. Tap on setting option after that. After tapping on the setting option, just scroll down and down up until you see the option of activity log. And after you see the option of activity log, tap on your activity of Facebook. When you tap on this, your activity of Facebook, you can see there is the option of Reels here. Now when you tap on manage Reels, you can tap on your Reels. After you tap on your Reels, you can simply delete the Reels that you have saved, and you can also edit any one of them, select one of them, or you can delete every Reels at once by just selecting them. Since I don't have any Reels, I cannot do that, but just try it if you have it done and you want to delete it. I hope this helps you. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe, and comment on our comment section.